What I got in here is an accessory that can turn your GoPro into something that feels like a professional camera rig. If you love taking photos with your GoPro and you only want to shoot handheld without any selfie sticks or any other accessories, then this little guy in here can be exactly for you. So what exactly is this product? Telesin Street Photography Kit is basically a handheld camera grip combined with a full aluminum cage for your GoPro. You get a more solid body and more camera-like feel in your hands. The main goal of this accessory is to give you a comfortable grip and more confidence when shooting handheld. No selfie sticks, no tripods, it's just you and the camera. You see, GoPro cameras are small and compact, but they are not that great when you just hold it in your hand without any extra accessories. And you can easily drop it when shooting handheld. And quite often it can happen that you block the lens with your finger. Thanks to the camera grip, you have more space to hold on to, so you have a better grip over your camera and your hand is slightly further away from the lens, so you won't cover it with your fingers. The aluminum cage offers solid protection around the entire camera, while still giving you clear access to the touchscreen, buttons and mounting fingers at the bottom of it, so you have full control over your camera. It also comes with a wrist lanyard, so if you accidentally drop it out of your hand, it's not gonna hit the ground. And even if it does, you're gonna survive the fall. The setup is very straightforward. Just open up the cage, place your GoPro inside and close it. Attach the camera grip to the side with a T-wrench. Take the shutter button and mount it on top of the camera. Lastly, add the lanyard to it and that's it, it's all done. The large shutter button makes taking photos with your GoPro so much easier because you don't have to search for it. It's very easy to click. It's sometimes even a bit too easy to click. So you may start recording a video when you don't want it, and it happens to me all the time. That blue button over here allows you to quickly remove the grip along with the battery door, giving you fast access to the battery compartment. So you can just quickly change the battery and continue shooting without unscrewing anything. There are also two cold shoe mounts, one on the top and another one on the left side, so you can attach lights, microphones or other accessories. And there's also a small slot for a microSD card just on top of the grip, which can be useful as a backup for a smaller card if you forgot your main one. What's more, on the bottom of the camera grip there's a 1/4-inch screw hole for tripod attachment. But if you remove the grip, you can use another screw hole to mount your GoPro vertically for social media. You still have access to the mounting fingers of your GoPro, so you can use it with other accessories. And you can even attach the magnetic mount for Hero 13. You can also quickly remove your camera from the cage, which takes just a few seconds, and is very convenient whenever you don't plan on using it. The overall build quality of this product feels premium. The cage is full aluminum, nothing rattles and there are no sharp edges. And the grip has a rubberized texture on it that feels good in the hand. It's a really well-made product and definitely doesn't feel like a toy. I could only complain that the shutter button should have a little piece of rubber on it, because currently it's a piece of plastic that's just pushing it in. So I think you could damage the button over time. GoPro Hero 13 Black weighs somewhere around 159 grams with a screen protector mounted on it. Add the metal cage to it and it's now 228 grams. Add the grip, a lanyard and a shutter button, which in total weighs around 388 grams, which could be a deal breaker for some. So who's this accessory really for? I think it's gonna be perfect for, obviously, handheld shooters. People who vlog with a GoPro, walk around the city and take a lot of photos, perhaps selfies. But also everyone who just wants to have a safer way when holding your camera. And this accessory costs around $96 on official Telesin website. It's more expensive than a simple plastic cage from Alibaba because you pay for a high quality aluminum cage for your GoPro, so it could be worth it. If you want your GoPro to feel more secure in your hands and have that ultimate protection for your camera and overall more professional feel, then I think that it can be worth considering. It's gonna be great for vloggers, handheld shots and street photography, etc. So overall, it's a great product, it's just not for everyone. This thing is not gonna be great for those people who just want to have a lighter setup, especially if you want to mount your GoPro to your head, helmet, car, just to get a great POV shot. This setup is not gonna be for people who want extremely small and lightweight camera, like Insta360 Go 3 for example. So you trade compact size for durability. But it can be useful for the right person though. For today's video guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!